Yo, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum into APE token. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, you're gonna open CoinMarketCap on your browser or any price tracking website. For me, CoinMarketCap is the safest and it prevents you from getting scammed from scammers. So with that being said, let's get into it. First of all, this is the main page. You click on the search bar and you click and you write the token name. So for us, we are going to write apecoin. That's it. And now we come here to this page. There is a lot of information that you might need, but for us, we mainly need the contract address. So we click on this icon and we go to the second step, which is Uniswap platform. So now we click on this launch app and we connect our wallet. So guys, they have multiple choices of wallets. They have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, Fortis, but mainly in our tutorial and my tutorial specifically, I'll be using MetaMask. So guys, for those who doesn't know what is MetaMask, we have an old video in our channel, so if you want to see it, go check it out. And for those who want to download it, that's it, the link metamask.io. You click on this button right here and you will download it in whatever browser you are using, even your cell phones, by the way, guys. So yeah, now we come back to the platform, we connect our wallet, and then we'll make sure that we are on Ethereum main network on both our wallet and the website. Then we open our wallet again and click on import token, custom token, import APE. All right, here it is. Now we click on select token, import token, APE, import. Now guys, you can transfer between Ethereum and APE, like APE into Ethereum and Ethereum into APE. You do whatever you want. So that's it. If you find the video useful, please leave a like in the comments and subscribe for more videos in the future. See ya guys.